Alright, today's practice we're going to practice domain and range of tables, graphs, everything like that. So, is this a function? So the practice example on your paper, it says, can we tell if these 2 points are functions by creating a table? Well, yeah. If we create a table, we can see that there's a table, obviously. But is it a function? Well, what is considered a function? What's considered a function is that for every input there is exactly one output. So I can have 1 and 4 be equal to 9, that's totally fine. But I can't have 1 equal to 2 and 5 because that would not be realistic. That's not a function. So let's look. So from 1 to 9, that's a point. Then from 2, I have 6 and a 7. Then from 3, I have 5. And 4 is 2. So, let's ask this question. Does every input have exactly one output? No, because look, 2 has 2 options. 2 has the number 6 and the number 7 as an output. If I was going to graph this, it would look something like this. So if I had 2 here, 6 and 7, it would have 2 points right on top of each other. And that doesn't create a line if all the other points are over here. So this is not a function because there's not exactly one input for every output. If I was going to write the domain and range of them, remember x is the domain, y is the range. So if I look at my examples here, you're going to practice these by yourself on a piece of paper. And you're going to create a table for each of these. So if I was going to create a table for 1, it would look something like this. It would be -4, -2, 0, 2, and 3. And then I would match up the numbers associated with it. So does every input have one output? Yes. Is this a function? Yes. My domain values are -4, -2, 0, 2, and 3. While my range values are going to be, 1, 3, -5, 7, and -9. So now that you know how to do these, I want you to do 2 through 10 and see if those are a function. Once you are done, keep them in your notebook or keep the paper handy because you guys do have a test on Monday. Please do not email me the papers. But make sure that you let Ms. Stiles know that you have completed it.